Don't you hate how right after Halloween, everyone just forgets all about Thanksgiving and moves right on to Christmas with all the music and all the decorations and... Oh, what, this? Well, forget about that. Come over here. Anyway, all Christmas things aside, you like free stuff, right? Well, I've got some news for you because you can get a free Thanksgiving dinner. And if you're a big cheapo like me, then you should probably be pretty excited about that. But before I do get into it, I will just say that this is not a paid promotion, not a sponsored video, not an advertisement, although it should be. You say, Howie, I'm only here because I saw the word free, just give it to me straight already, into which I say, okay. So lately I've been flirting a little bit with the world of couponing, and while I may talk about that a little bit more in the future, today is mostly just going to be talking about how you can get that free Thanksgiving dinner by getting everything you need from Walmart using the Ibotta app. So Ibotta, if you're listening, call me, send me a text, help me help you. Okay. During this month of November in 2020, Ibotta has teamed up with Walmart to help people get everything they need for a Thanksgiving dinner for a whole $0, which means free. Also, if you don't have the Ibotta app, use my referral code when you register. You do have to cook this Thanksgiving meal yourself, and all the items have been pre-selected for you, but free is free, and also it's Thanksgiving. Show some thanks. But you can find a link in the description to see all the items you get on this from Ibotta. And it includes all the Thanksgiving staples. You get the turkey, you get the gravy, you get the stuffing, the mashed potatoes, you get the mushroom soup, which I'm not really sure is a Thanksgiving staple, but moving on. You get the cranberry sauce, the green beans, and even the crispy fried onions. And last but not least, you get the Coca-Cola, so you have something to drink all that down with. Before you go to the comments and tell me about how this Thanksgiving meal doesn't include my grandmother's famous baked rolls, or I will never eat these cheap, non-organic, non-homemade mashed potatoes. Look, I get it. That's cool. Also, this is free. And like I said a moment ago, show some thanks. This is Thanksgiving. That's what it's all about. And look, the items I read off down below come to a total of $20.27. So for what it's worth, this isn't the most posh meal that everyone could imagine, but it's free. And to be completely honest, this will in fact be my Thanksgiving dinner because I'm way too cheap. And if not for this, I probably would have just cheaped out and gotten a pizza or maybe even a rotisserie chicken instead of a proper turkey. But that's just me. In case you have any concerns about whether or not doing this is legit or how this works, I will include a little bit later in the video some screenshots of us doing it on one of our phones. I've already done this once, and pretty soon I'm going to be doing this a second time using my wife's account, so stay tuned for that. The way this works is you download the Ibotta app, use my referral code when you sign up to make a new account. On the app, you're going to clip all the coupons for all the items that you want, including all those Thanksgiving items, plus anything else that you might see on the app that you want to get while you're at the store. Head to your local Walmart, find the said items in the store, pay for them, which, okay, don't click away. Believe me, it'll be free, just wait. And then you take your Ibotta app, scan your receipt, and Ibotta will see that you made those purchases and credit your account. Now, if you're not familiar with how Ibotta works, it's basically an app for digital couponing and rebates, basically. And as a quick disclaimer, if you happen to see that Ibotta will give you more money than the item is worth, well, then they're still going to give you the full amount. But we'll see that later. Once your account has $20 in it credited, you can send the money straight from your Ibotta account to your actual bank account. And since this whole Thanksgiving meal comes to be over $20, you can cash out right away. So I already mentioned that I did this once on my account, and now I'm gonna head to the store to go do this a second time on my wife's account.
It looks like they're sold out.
Are you kidding? Back in the car, just got out of Walmart. Unfortunately, they didn't have the star of the show, the turkey. So we're gonna go to another Walmart. And that's all the stuff. And since we did it twice, you can get all this stuff. Look at this. Also, I kind of started dipping into the Thanksgiving fund a little bit, but ignore that. And if you notice that I got chicken stuffing instead of turkey stuffing, well, I prefer it. So you can get whatever you want. It is pretty flexible. Not whatever you want. Make sure it's on the app. Like how I got cherry Coke instead of regular. As long as it's on the app, you can do it, and just make sure you scan it, which we'll show you how to do right now. So when you get set up with the Ibotta app on your phone, it should look something like this, and you'll see the free Thanksgiving dinner right in the middle. When you click on that, you'll see a list of all of the items we just talked about. And if you click on one of them, you can see the details on exactly which items in the store will cover it. And you can scroll through, check that for each of them. So when you're in the store and you're looking at one of the items, you can click this check barcode button and hold up your item, scan the barcode on the item you're looking at. It might be a little bit finicky, but if it works, it'll say offer matched right across the top. Otherwise, it'll say offer not found or offer not matched or something like that. But as long as the offer is matched, you know you're good to buy it. And when you scan your Walmart receipt, Ibotta will get you covered. And just to make sure this is really clear, when you are looking at an item like this one or any of the Thanksgiving items, you should see that little plus button, and you do have to click that to clip the coupon so that when you scan the receipt, it'll get recognized. And from that home menu, you'll see the retailers, and you can click right on the Walmart button. On the top, you'll probably see the Thanksgiving items, but if you keep scrolling down, you'll see all kinds of different items. And some items are like this one that aren't on the Thanksgiving list, but you'll see this little thing that says free after offer, which I like to find those a lot of times. Just because the item's on here, you might not find it at your store, but it could be worth looking around to see what you can get for free. And once you have bought your items, you can go back to the Ibotta app, hit that redeem button on the bottom, select Walmart, select that you want to scan your receipt, hold your phone up to your barcode, it'll scan the barcode, hopefully it'll be like this, and it'll find the offers. Now, since we didn't find all the offers at a single Walmart, we have to scan a couple different receipts, but you can see them all right there. You should have the little check marks, and on the bottom, it'll say that you can collect, hopefully, the whole $20, or in this case, half of it, because we didn't have a couple of the other items on there. So now that we have all three of our receipts in there, we can check to make sure that our total is reflected. If for some reason it's not, it may take a little bit of time to process, but usually it's instantaneous like this. And then since it's over $20, you can send that straight to your bank account right away if you want. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for making it this far. Smack the like button and smack the subscribe button. Happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you in the next video.